How to make an image move on Word. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily move an image inside of your Word application. So first thing, simply head over to your Word application and let's say to insert the image, just click on this insert option and let's say, as you can see, I've inserted my sample image over here, and as you can see, when I try to move this image from left to right or left to top or left to bottom, I am being able to move freely towards up and down, but I can't freely move it towards the right or left section, as you can see. So now what we need to do to disable that feature is, or just click on right click on the picture or image and just head over to this wrap text option and just click on this behind text option, and then it will automatically lets you free flow the text, the image which you were not previously able to move freely. So that is exactly how you can easily do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.